Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm going to show you how to enable SSH on a Raspberry Pi, one of the easiest ways that you can do it. Once you have your image burned to your micro SD card, all you need to do is go under that drive for that particular SD card. And all we're going to do here is just right click, go to new, go to text document, and as you can see down here it is, and all we're going to do is just put in SSH and hit enter, and that's all you need to do. Make sure there's no extension to this, because if you would happen to put ssh.txt, it will not work. So just put SSH, hit enter, take your card out, and there you go. You have SSH right off the bat. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.